This is how I generated close to $300 in passive income in less than 2 minutes using BOSS option strategy. Sick and tired of having only one source of income? If you want to learn how to make passive income safely, to pay off your bills, to find your next travel holiday, or even fire your boss, you will definitely want to watch this video till the end to learn this option strategy. To help you to understand this options tutorial, I even put down some of the notes here so that you can follow along step by step. Let's go! Number 1. Identify a business that you want to invest in. Most people think that investing is like gambling with the stock price going up and down every single day. But the truth is, it's because they don't have a proper system and strategy for them to profit from the stock and options market consistently. That's why in this video, I want to share with you how you can do it safely so that you can start investing rather than gambling. In order for you to do options, you need to first understand stocks. When you buy a stock, that means you're buying an ownership into a certain company. If the company does well and make more money, you as a shareholder will make more money in the long run. That's why you need to ask yourself before investing in any company, what type of business do you like to own? If you like Apple products, you can consider buying Apple stocks. If you use Facebook and Instagram every single day, well, you can consider investing in Meta. And if you keep on putting your money in Bank of America, you can consider investing in BAC. So behind every single business that you use as a consumer, it's very likely that the company is already listed in the stock exchange. After you identify certain company, it's important for you to check through its financial metrics to ensure that it's indeed a profit-generating machine. Due to time constraint, I'm not going to elaborate those financial metrics in this video, but in my YouTube channel Arigato Investor, I share with you 5 key important investing metrics that Warren Buffett look at. You can check out the video right here. So once you identify the stock to buy, the second step is to identify the stock price that you want to buy. Just like going shopping, you want to buy it when you have a sale. So you don't want to overpay for a business. Instead, you want to buy them when they are on sale. For example, in my Telegram channel, I've been sharing with my followers that Alibaba is a great business. In fact, it was on a fire sale and I keep on mentioning that Alibaba looks like a steal for me at that time. And since I shared, within 1 month, Alibaba's stock price jumped more than 14%. So if you want to get additional investing insights from me, make sure you follow my Telegram channel in the link in my bio. After you are done with step 1 and 2, next move on to step number 3, which is sell a put options. And here's how you can use BOSS sell put options to generate additional passive income every single month. By selling a put option, it means that you are making a promise to buy 100 shares of the business that you want to buy at the price that you want to buy, and by doing so, you get paid about 2% per month in terms of passive income. I recently sold a put options on Bank of America, and within 1 minute, I collected about $80 in terms of passive income. The reason why I want to buy BAC is because it's a great company selling at a great price, and on top of that, Warren Buffett has its 10% of its portfolio invested in this company. So the capital that I need for this trade is $2,800. My return on investment on this option trade is using $80 divided by $2,800. That is a whopping 2.85% in about 20 days. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So what will happen after 20 days? If the stock price of BAC remains to be above $28 after 20 days, I do not have to buy the stocks, and in return, I get to keep my $80 of passive income completely for free. However, if the stock price does fall below $28 to become, let's say, $26 by the end of 20 days, I will still have to fulfill my promise and buy the stocks at $28. You may be thinking, then you're losing money, isn't it? Why would you want to do that? Well, in the short run, nobody can predict the market. But in the long run, if you invest in good business and buy them at a good price, they will appreciate over time. That's how businesses like Apple have tremendously appreciated in prices over the years. Not to forget, I also collected $80 in terms of passive income, thereby reducing my purchase price of Bank of America even further. So by doing BOSS option strategy on these 4 stocks, I collected about $300 in passive income in less than 2 minutes. There are different option strategies for you to profit in different market conditions. And if you want to learn more about options investing, make sure to join my Telegram channel in the link in my bio to get started step by step.